guys, welcome back. This is Michelle and Mark with Alaska Rural Homestead.
We're chiming in for Shedwars21. So, get ready, because Alaska is coming for you.
We've got our seeds ready, and that's the thing on our homestead, we're always preparing. So we've got a variety of seeds that we're starting this year, and hopefully it's going to be great. So stay tuned for that.
So just to let you know, obviously we're in a cold climate up here, so our season starts off later than everybody else's, and it also is a lot shorter than everybody else's. But don't worry, we're going to show for Alaska, and we're going to put in the effort, and we're going to take Shedwars21. So root for Alaska Rural Homestead. Yeah!